need to turn off this protected view mode before you can make changes to the file. This video will walk you through changing a read-only Microsoft Word document into one that's unlocked and ready to edit. Any Microsoft Word document which you download from the internet will have read-only protection assigned to it whenever you open it. You can disable this protection when first opening the document. If you see a yellow banner with the phrase, "Files from the internet can contain viruses," written across at the top of the Word document, your document qualifies to have its read-only status removed using this method. Click Enable Editing. You should now be able to edit the document. Disabling Protected View for password-protected files. Click the Review tab. Doing so opens the Review toolbar at the top of the Word window. Click Restrict Editing. Clicking it prompts a pop-out menu to appear on the right side of the window. Click Stop Protection. Enter the password when prompted. Type the document's password into the password text box, then click OK. Save your changes. Changing the file's properties. Go to the Word document. Click once the Word file, right-click the Word file, and click Properties in the drop-down menu. Disable the Read-Only protection. Uncheck the Read-Only box near the bottom of the window. Click Apply and click OK. Try to edit the file. Copying and pasting. If your primary goal is to edit the Word document, you can copy the Word document's text and paste it into a new Word document and then save the new document onto your computer. While doing this won't remove the read-only protection from the original document, it will create an editable copy. Click anywhere on the document. Select the whole document. Press Ctrl-A. You should see the entire document become highlighted. Copy the selected text. Press Ctrl-C. Open a new Word document. Click File, click New, and click Blank Document to open a blank Word document. Click Ctrl-V. Save the document as a new file.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.